Transform your customer's experience with the email quote form feature of Stylish Cost Calculator. This intuitive tool streamlines the sales process, allowing customers to receive instant, detailed email quotes tailored to their needs. Why use the email quote form? Here are 4 key benefits: save time, automate, and send instant quotes effortlessly. Track responses. Easily mark quotes as accepted or declined. Custom branding. Tailor the form and email to your style. Customer-friendly. Share clean, itemized PDF quotes instantly. To activate the email quote form feature, start by opening the calculator instance you want to edit. Click on Settings, then go to Calculator Settings. Under the Front-End Options tab, find CTA buttons, User Action buttons, and toggle Show Email Quote button to enable this feature. You can fully customize the fields in your form to suit your needs. To do this, open the calculator instance you want to edit, click on Settings, and then select Form Builder. From here, you can enable essential fields like name and email, which are required for proper functionality. You can also add new fields such as phone number, project due date, or any other inputs you need. Simply click the plus button to add fields or remove unnecessary ones with ease. Take full control of the emails your customers receive. Start by opening your calculator instance, then click Settings, then Calculator Settings, and then Email Settings to create a custom email template tailored specifically for that calculator. If you prefer to maintain a consistent global template across all calculators, navigate to Global Settings and then click Email Quotes. Here, you can define a standard template for all outgoing emails. Additionally, you can activate key features like Enable Email, validation to ensure accurate email entries, enable email rate limiting to prevent spam, enable blocking free email domains to filter out generic emails for better lead quality. Adapt your email quote form to your audience's language with the built-in translation feature. From your calculator dashboard, click on Wordings in the upper menu. On the left, you'll find default field titles like your name and your email. On the right, add your custom translations, such as su nombre and su correo electrónico. This ensures a personalized, user-friendly experience for all your customers. You can present quotes as a detailed, itemized PDF. Customers can download, print, or email their quotes for easy review and sharing. From the Global Settings menu, you can select the font style and date format for your email quote and detailed list views, ensuring consistent formatting across all calculators. To customize banners and logos for individual calculators, open the calculator instance you wish to edit. Click on Settings, then select Calculator Settings. Under the Details list and PDF Settings tab, upload your custom banner and logo for that specific calculator. Here's how it works. Customers fill out your tailored email quote form and instantly receive a professional, itemized PDF quote. It's quick, seamless, and enhances customer satisfaction. Ready to streamline your sales process and provide a professional experience to your customers? Visit stylishcostcalculator.com and click on Try the Calculator Builder to explore the demo with all premium features, including email, quote forms, translations, and customization options. We understand that building cost calculators are time-consuming and challenging. That's why we now have our new SECC AI Wizard can help you build your cost calculator form for you using our new AI-assisted setup wizard. Start transforming your workflow today.